Software as a service allows user to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the internet. Software as a service provides a complete software solution which you purchase on a pay-as-you-go basis from a cloud service providers like Amazon or Google. You rent the use of an application for your organization. All of the underlying infrastructure, middleware, application software, and app data are located in the service provider's data center. The service provider manages the hardware and software, and with the appropriate service agreement, they will ensure the availability and the security of the application and your data as well. Software as a service allows your organization to get quickly up and running with an app at minimum upfront cost. The consumer does not manage or control the underlying cloud infrastructure. If you have used a web-based email service such as Gmail or Yahoo, then you have already used a form of software as a service. With these services, you log into your account over the internet, often from a web browser. The email software is located on the service provider's network and your messages are stored there as well. You can access your email and stored messages from any web browser on any computer or internet connected device.